Hi, welcome to our class. In this video, we will tackle about reading and writing numbers up to 100,000 and compare them using symbols. I am teacher Riza and I will guide you throughout this lesson. Secure your seatbelts and be ready for this lesson. Let's get started!
Good morning, class! Okay, let's all stand and start the day with a prayer. Amen. So, do we have any absentees for today? Alright. Do we have any assignment to be passed or to be checked today? Okay, if that's the case, we will have a drill. Our activity, we have here different numbers that are either less than or greater than 10,000. All you have to do is pick all the numbers that is less than 10,000 and put it here in the box. Do you understand? Okay, let's start.
Our previous lesson is all about reading and writing numbers up to 10,000 and compare them using symbols. That's why the students understand and know what are the answers. The answers are 5,000, 9,321, and 2,354.
Very good. It seems that we really understand our previous lesson. So for our lesson for today, we will have an assessment. This is what I know. For our next activity, our instruction is write the following symbols to letters and letter to symbol. So do you understand what are you going to do? Alright, you should start now. So, after going through this module, you are expected to give the place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000 and read and write numbers up to 200,000 in symbols and words. Activity is entitled Am I Correct? So for the direction, the following are the numbers written either in symbols or in words. Write true if the number is correctly written in its corresponding symbol or words, and write false if it's not written correctly. Here's your activity. You may now start. Okay, we have here a number. Will you please read it, class? Okay, the number is 62,453. Now, we are going to know what is the place value of each numbers presented in our screen. So let's start from the left to right. So the place value of 3 is ones. The place value of 5 is tens. The place value of 4 is hundreds. And the place value of 2 is thousands. The place value of 6 is 10,000. Now, how do we determine the place value of each numbers? So the place value of a digit is determined by multiplying that digit to its place value. So let's write the 62,453 here in our table. That just like what I've said, we will start from right to left. So meaning the number 3, its place value is.
Now we can read it as 53.
Next, the number 5 is in tens.
400 plus 53 is equals to 453. So we can read it now as 453.
And number 6 is in 10,000. So now we are going to identify how to read this.
Now that we have 2,000, we will add this to 453. And now we can read it as 2,453.
5 times 10. Okay, 50.
Now that we have 2,453, we will add the 6 10,000s. So, 6 10,000s plus 2,453 is equals to 62,453.
Thousands times 6. Okay, 60,000. Now, let's plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 50 and plus 3. 3, 5, 4, 2, 6. So, this is 62,453. So, 62,453 is made up of 6 10,000, 2,000s, 400s, 5 tens, and 3 ones. So, this is the equation that we did. 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 15 plus 3 is equals to 62,453. Now, we have here our number. To read numbers up to 100,000, will you please read? Okay. So, 62,453 is read as 62,453. Wait, I have an addition pala. Diba we have here 3 tables. Periods, thousands, and units. Now, if the numbers are divided by thousands and units, you are going to put a comma before the number 800s. Okay? Do you understand, class? So, to test your understanding, we will have an activity. Our activity is entitled Place Me. So, for our direction, the class will be divided into 2 groups. Place each numbers in a value chart and write it through words. Okay, you may now start. So, another reminder, zeros are not read when they are used to hold the place value of non-zero digits. So, we have here 2 examples, like 400,023 and 80,701. So, as you can see, the zeros are there, but we did not read it in words. For another reminder, will you please read it, class? Okay, just like what I have said earlier, the units are composed of 3 digits only. And after that, we will put comma when we start in our thousands table. Okay, so let's study this example. So we have 48,052. So as you can see, the number 0 is there, but we did not read it, as well as here, 70,006 and 53,102. Okay, do you really understand? Alright. To test your understanding, we will have another activity. This is entitled Let's See. So read and then write the following numbers in words. Are you ready, class? Okay, you may now start. Number 1, we have here numbers in words, and all you have to do is write it in symbols. Alright, it seems that you really understand our activity or our lesson for today. So we will have another group activity. We have here a group activity. So for the group A, which is in this side, in the number 59,458, write the digit in the given place values. Okay, do you understand? Alright. So for the group B, write the value of the underlined digit, which is here. Is it clear? Okay, you may now start. We have here a problem. So the students of San Jose Pilot Elementary School collected 78,395 for the victims of Typhoon Yolanda. So all you have to do is place value and value of each digit in our value chart and write the number 78,295 in words and in symbol. Okay, start now. Let's have a recap about our lesson for today. So how do you read the digits into periods, just like this. Another. Okay, from the left, read the number formed by the digits in thousand period and followed by the name of period. Alright. It seems that you really understand our lesson for today. So let's have an evaluation. Get 1/2 crosswise. In our direction, read the following numbers in words. So all you have to do is write each numbers and in words here in the blank. Okay, write it in paper. You will start now. Okay, class, pass your papers. So we have an assignment before we end this class. That you learned something for today. So I will give you an assignment so that we will test if you really understand our lesson. So for our assignment,
I hope you learned something for today.
all
Goodbye.
we have to